वो मसीहो महदिये दौरा मोहम्मद का गुलाम, चांद और सूरज ने दी जिसकी शहादत जिंदाबाद। अहमदियत 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 जिंदाबाद।
You see news appearing on websites and newspapers where the ISIS caliph or the Daesh caliph is beheading or is ordering the beheading of a European journalist. On the other hand, you find the caliph of Ahmadiyya, the Khalifa of Ahmadiyya, the Khalifa of the Prophet ﷺ, telling his people and telling the larger audiences, the greater audiences that he gets to speak to, which include Muslims and non-Muslims alike, telling them how Islam is a religion of peace, how we do not believe in any kind of atrocities to be carried out in the name of religion, how he believes and how he tells them that this is what we as Ahmadiyya Muslim community and as Ahmadiyya Caliphate stands for: peace and harmony.
अहमदियत 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 जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद ओ जिंदाबाद, जिंदा ओ पायंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद ओ जिंदाबाद, जिंदा ओ पायंदाबाद।